Imagine earning money online using just your phone or laptop. Without any experience, without any degree, and without investing money. Sounds crazy, right? But in this video, I'll show you exactly how beginners are using ChatGPT to earn money step by step. And yes, you can start today. Part 1. What is ChatGPT? Before we start, let's quickly understand what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can write content, generate ideas, create scripts, emails, captions, and even help you with business tasks in just seconds. Think of it like your personal assistant, but much faster and smarter. But remember, ChatGPT doesn't make money for you. You make money by using it smartly. Part 2. Step 1. Choose one method. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying everything at once. Don't do that. Pick just one method from these. YouTube script writing, blog writing, social media content creation, freelancing services, selling digital products like ebooks, right pointing backhand index if you are a complete beginner. I highly recommend starting with YouTube script writing or content writing because it's easy and in high demand. Part 3. Step 2. Learn how to use prompts. To get the best results from ChatGPT, you need to learn how to ask the right questions. These are called prompts. Here are some powerful examples. Write a YouTube script on earning money online for beginners. Create 10 Instagram captions for a fitness page. Write a 1,000-word SEO blog post on digital marketing. But here's a pro tip. Don't just accept the first result. Always improve it by saying, make it more engaging. Add examples. Make it simple and human-like. This is how you get high-quality content. Part 4. Step 3. Start freelancing. Now it's time to make money. Go to freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer. Create your account and set up your profile. Your service can be something like, I will write high-quality YouTube scripts using ChatGPT. Make your profile simple, clear, and professional. Part 5. Step 4. Create sample work. If you don't have experience, don't worry. Create your own samples using ChatGPT. For example, 2 YouTube scripts, 2 blog articles, 5 social media posts. These samples will act as your portfolio and help clients trust you. Part 6. Step 5. Get your first client. This is the most important step. Start sending proposals every day. Don't wait for clients to come to you. Go to them. Write simple proposals like, Hi, I can create engaging YouTube scripts for your channel. I can deliver fast and high-quality work. At the beginning, keep your price low, around $5 to $10. Your goal is not money at first. Your goal is reviews. Part 7. Step 6. Deliver quality work. When you get your first order, don't just copy-paste from ChatGPT. Edit it. Make it better. Add a human touch. Because clients pay for quality, not just AI content. Part 8. Step 7. Scale your income. Once you start getting clients regularly, increase your prices. Work faster using ChatGPT. Take more orders. And here's the best part. You can even outsource work to others and build your own small team. Part 9. Bonus methods. Once you learn the basics, you can explore more ways to earn. Start a YouTube automation channel. Sell ebooks or digital products. Do affiliate marketing. Create Instagram theme pages. The opportunities are endless. So guys, earning money with ChatGPT is 100% possible. But only if you take action. Don't just watch this video and forget it. Start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.